Good morning, everyone. Today is 12th February 2022, and my name is Santosh Rajendra Gola, and today's our topic is object lifecycle in Java. First of all, object lifecycle means the duration in which an object is valid for use between the time and it is instantiated or created, then released or destroyed. And creating any object causes the in Java machine to allocate memory for it. A large real world program creates tens or hundreds of thousands of objects, and bulk of memory is allocated for each of them. In which step number one, creation of class file on desktop. As you know that Java program runs on the Java virtual machine in JVM, and when we compile the Java class, it is transformed into byte code, and which is platform and machine independent. And the compiled classes are stored in as a class on the file desktop. Step 2, uh, loading dot class file into memory. After that, the Java runtime finds out that class on the different level. Step 3, looking for initialized static members of class. And now Java looks for all initialized static members of the class, such as static methods, static field, and static block. You always remember that the all static members of the class do not belongs to the any particular instance of a class, and it belongs to the class itself, and it is shared by all the object created from the class. Step 4, ways to initialize class in Java. A class can be initialized into two ways. First, when we access a static field or a static method of the class. For example, when you run the main method in a class, the class is initialized because the main method is static. And the second way is when an object or an instance of a class is created using the new keyword, then the class is initialized. Step 5, allocation of memory or the object reference variable. In this step, Java allocates the memory or helps for the object and memory on the disk of the variable. Step 6, calling of the constructor of class. After allocating the memory, JVM calls to the constructor of the class, which is like a method, but it is called only once when the object is created. Thus, and the object lives life and providing to access the field method. And step 7 is removing the object and reference variable from memory. In this, accessing of field and methods are completed. the object, and its reference is removed from the memory of by the JVM, and this is time of object has dead. And thank you.